Now here may not. So here it functions in possibility, permission, request, offer, wish. So here we will see about the examples. So here permission. So here may I come in, sir. So here may indicates with permission. So here possibility or probability. So she may be here tomorrow. So here may is used as possibility or probability. So here request. May I ask you something. So here it's comes under request. Offer. May I help you. So here may is as offering. So here wish. May be you successful. So here it indicates with exclamatory mark. So here may is used in as wish. So here might and might not. So here there are two functions. So here first one is permission and second one is little possibility. So here the chances of having little possibility. So here example for permission is might I submit it later this week. So here next little possibility. We might not make it after all. So these are the examples of might and might not. Now we discuss about must not or mustn't. So here functions in obligation or interference or deduction. So here what the examples comes in the obligation, let us see. You must be home before dark. So here must is used as obligation. So here next inference or deduction. So here she seems to be in a rush. She must be running late. So here it means she should run fast. So here must is used for inference or deduction. So here next shall and shall not. So here it is used functions in three. First one is what? Intention, and second one is offer, third one is suggestion. So here the examples of intention. So here I shall never bring this up again. So here shall is used for intention. So here offer. Shall I get you something to drink? So here offering. So it comes under offering. So here third one suggestion. Shall we bake some cookies? So here shall is used as in suggestion. Now should not or shouldn't. So here it functions in three ways. So possibility, obligation, advice. So here for the possibility we will see the examples. This should be enough for all of us. So here should is used in possibilities. So next obligation. We should always be punctual. So here should is used for obligation. So second one is advice. You should take the medicines on time. So here should is used in advance. So here will not, won't. So here models. So here it has been functioned in three ways: intention, request, prediction, promise. So here intention example we will see. I will call you. So here will is used in intention. So here request. Will you help me please? So here will is used in requesting form. So next is prediction. So it will rain today. So here it comes under prediction. So promise. I won't forget. So won't it comes under promise. Thank you.